Most of our clients came to us because they've experienced some or all of these top 4 team dysfunctions in their workplace: low trust, diverse personalities, fear of conflict, lack of engagement. High-performing teams don't happen by chance. When communication styles are understood and aligned, conflict decreases, engagement rises, and productivity thrives. Every organization wants stronger teamwork, better communication, and higher performance. But none of that happens by accident. It happens when leaders invest in understanding people, how they work, how they communicate, and how they perform at their best. At Excel Group, we help teams work smarter by understanding how people communicate, collaborate, and perform. Our team-building conference sessions bring entire teams together to build the foundation of high performance. These aren't icebreakers. They're productivity-focused teamwork sessions that reduce conflict and strengthen collaboration. Teams walk away aligned, energized, and equipped with practical tools they can use to move forward on the job. Great teamwork starts long before the team meets. Our behavioral profiles help leaders hire the right talent, onboard them effectively, and coach them for maximum performance. When you understand how someone communicates, makes decisions, and responds under pressure, you don't just fill a role, you set them up to thrive. The result? Better hires, stronger managers, and teams that perform with clarity and confidence. And for high-ticket sales professionals, from commercial real estate to residential agents and mortgage advisors, behavioral insight is a game changer. Our training helps sales professionals quickly read a client's communication style, adapt their approach, and build trust faster. Because when you understand people, you attract more referrals, influence others more effectively, and close more sales. Whether you're building a stronger team, hiring smarter, or elevating your sales performance, Excel Group gives you the tools to turn communication into a competitive advantage. Stronger teamwork, better talent decisions, higher sales performance. It all starts with understanding people, and that's where team intelligence begins. Excel Group, helping teams work smarter, communicate better, and perform at their highest level.